welcome back to my channel once again. And I am sure you must have noted from this caption already that today I'm talking about summer essential, that is sunscreen. So it's the most required and most needed thing that you should be strictly incorporating if you have not incorporated it yet. So sunscreens are an integral part, like maybe winter or maybe summer. If you are going out, you are getting exposed to the sun, you have to have sunscreen in handy, right? So today I have come up with 5 sunscreen which I have been using for the some time now, and I thought of discussing with you the pros and cons of all the sunscreens that I am going to talk about today, and which one you should be buying, which one you should avoid, and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. You can also follow me in my Instagram, so my Instagram handle is given here below. And yeah, I do make videos about a lot of food and a bit of skincare, and also a little bit of makeup as well. So yeah, let's begin with the sunscreen video. So now first coming with my first sunscreen, which you see, I mean, what I have done with the sunscreen, this was one of my sunscreen which I started using since the time I actually started using sunscreen. Okay, so I remember around around 2015, we are now in 2021. Oh my god, so 6 years. So yeah, so I have started actually with the Lotus sunscreen, because back then there were not many people to talk about a lot of sunscreen, and I mean the most common and even the drugstore brand that you can get with a good and good formulation, good SPF and all of that was Lotus. So I still have it, I still use it, but of course I do try out a lot of other sunscreens as well, because as and when I hear good about any sunscreen, I think okay fine, let me just give it a try. So this is the first sunscreen that I'm going to talk about. So this is the Lotus's for me, I mean what I was using was the SPF 40 sunscreen, and it has PA and UVA UVB both protections, and it is priced at rupees 275. The price might fluctuate because I bought quite some time back and I was using. So okay, so this sunscreen is a tinted sunscreen. So okay, if you can see, okay, so I'll just show you. I'll apply all the sunscreens also and show you. So if I apply it in my hand here, it's a tinted sunscreen. You can see it kind of acts as a little bit of tint of foundation, okay, and it blends really well. It is completely non-greasy, non-oily. It has a completely matte finish. So if you see, okay, I mean forget this kind of thing, because I wanted to finish it till the end and I have cut it like that. So it is actually written mattifying, and it actually so rightly so, it completely is non-greasy, it is non-oily, it does not make you sweat. I swear this sunscreen does not make you sweat at any cost. It also does not feel like something which is heavy on your skin or something like that sort. It completely does not make you feel that. But okay, one con of this product is that for my skin tone this tint really goes well, okay, but then for people who are a lighter skin tone or maybe a little darker, I mean 2 shades darker skin tone than me, for them it might not work. For people who are lighter skin tone, for them it might make them look dull, and for people who are a little darker shade than me, it might look them, I mean something white on their skin. It does not leave a white cast for sure, but then this tint of it does not go well with all the skin types. So that is one con of this product. But then apart from that, I really love this product. It acts as a light foundation, as I mentioned already, and just this sunscreen will do if you are just putting a light makeup, like the sunscreen, little lipstick and kajal. That's all is my regular go-to makeup thing when I use this sunscreen. So I love this sunscreen. You can definitely get your hands on it, and this is a completely lightweight, non-greasy formulation. Next sunscreen which I'm going to talk about, which I started using recently, is this sunscreen from VLCC. So this sunscreen from BLCC I'm not super impressed with, because I got it from Smitten when they were having some offers, and I got it on offer. So it is completely water resistant, okay? You have to really use your face wash or some soap or a double cleanse to remove the sunscreen. So that way it is rightfully claiming it is hydrophobic. It has SPF 50 also, but the problem, okay, I'll show you, it has a strong white cast, okay? It has a strong white cast. Oh, so now if I apply and show you, it has a strong white cast, and see, it does not blend also completely. Even if I try, how much ever I try, I don't know whether my camera is doing justice, but it has a strong white cast, and also it is not easily blendable. It makes you, I mean, it makes your skin definitely oily. So I have like initially when I started, I was using it for my skin, but once or twice, that's the end of the story. I started using it for my hands. My hands are super dry, so I use it for my hands, and it goes well on my hands, but not on my skin, because it is very, I mean, it makes me sweat like crazy. It has a white cast, so I wouldn't recommend this sunscreen if you are the one who has like a oily to combination skin type. But if you are the one who is looking for something which is hydrophobic, this is the one. And also it is not very costly. I mean, it is priced around similar range as the Lotus. Lotus also was priced something around 300 rupees. This is also priced around 375 is what is written here. And it has a high SPF factor. That is really a good thing. And but then of course I would not repurchase it, because I'm not really happy with the kind of a white cast and kind of a greasiness that it gives. So out of all, if I consider, this is one sunscreen which I am not going to repurchase. My third sunscreen is this sunscreen, which is from a medicine brand. I mean, it's from the brand Glenmark. It's a La Shield. They have a lot of variants, like this one is SPF 40. They have SPF 50 also, and this is amazing. This was actually prescribed by my dermat like long time back. I was using it back then, and then I'm like, okay, I just forgot about it, because I was trying out a lot of other sunscreens also. So now this sunscreen, though it says gel, it does not come in a gel formulation though. It comes in this kind of, you see, this kind of formulation. Now if I apply it, it blends like just like magic. It just vanishes, it goes off, and it has a buttery smooth finish kind of a thing. And okay, fine. So one thing about this one is that it is pretty much costly, okay? So I think the price is written in the box here, okay? So this is priced at ₹790 rupees, which might be a little high on your budget, but I promise you, if you buy the sunscreen, you will never regret it. Though it looks creamy and all that, it is a completely oil-free formulation. It never makes you sweat. It is also written here, it's an oil-free formulation. It never makes you sweat. It has completely zero white cast, and also of course a broad spectrum of protection. So that way I'm like super happy with the sunscreen, but of course it's a little on the higher side. I mean, crosses even 700 rupees. So but then you can see, I mean, I don't know whether it's available in Amazon and all. You can check it out, but I bought it actually from a medicine store. But you can check from lot of medicine websites which sell those medicinal things. You can check it out and apply some codes and all of that if you have any, and that might be good to go and might reduce the price a bit. So this is my most loved sunscreen out of all that I'm going to share with you today. So my third is fourth is the Earth Rhythm sunscreen, which comes in a glass bottle. I really like their packaging, and I appreciate the fact that they have made it a dark color packaging. So it comes in a pump-in bottle, which makes it very convenient to use, but at the same time not very convenient to make it, for taking it along with you when you're traveling, because again, first of all, it's a glass bottle, and second of all, it has a tendency to, leak from this portion. So if you're traveling and you're keeping it tilted like this, it might leak. So generally don't prefer traveling. with this sunscreen. So this I bought a broad spectrum SPF 50, SPF 40 and SPF 50. I keep fluctuating between these two depending on my requirement. So this, okay, I really love this formulation. This is a physical sunscreen, which means that you need not apply it. And actually sunscreens, where what we had known before is like you should apply the sunscreen at least half an hour before getting exposed to the sun. But this being a physical or a mineral sunscreen, that's not, it immediately acts as a protective layer for your skin. So you need not make sure that you are applying it half an hour before getting exposed to the sun and things like that. So that is not there in this case. But okay, one thing about it is it does not give you a white cast at all. It also melts. Okay, so I'll show you. It does not give a white cast, okay. It blends really well. It gets absorbed also in the skin. But then one thing to be remembered is that this is not meant for someone who has extremely oily skin, because it makes your skin a little bit oily, not very much. But then what I do is that if I'm applying it on my face, I dab a little bit of powder, otherwise I start sweating. So this is one problem about this sunscreen. Otherwise it has a wonderful formulation. Okay, again it is a bit on the pricey side as well. Okay, so I'll let you know about the price. This is again 695 rupees. So okay, so this is again 695 rupees, which is a little pricey, higher than 500 rupees. But then the formulation of it and the texture of it blends in really well. I really like the sunscreen. If you are like a person who likes applying a little bit of powder on your face after you have applied the sunscreen. Zero white cast, but then it will make your skin a little oily. The last sunscreen that I'm going to talk about today, I don't know whether they have actually a full size sample in the market. I'm not very sure of it, because this was the sample size which was given to me by my dermat when I visited him. So this is from one of the medicine brand, Geno. So this is SPF 50, and oh my god, this sunscreen is so good. It comes in I don't know about the actual size bottle, so I have almost finished it. So it was a very small tube. So this is almost, the formulation is similar to this Lash Shield one. It is like it just melts and vanishes. It does not make you feel that there is something heavy on your skin or you have applied something. Does not make your skin oily, like nothing altogether. So this is like really good formulation, but I'm unfortunately not very sure whether this is available, like a full size bottle is available out there in the market or not. You can definitely check it out. This is from the brand Geno, Geno. You can check it out. So out of all the sunscreens, if I have to rate it, I definitely love these two. These two are like my most loved sunscreen. These are from this is from the brand Glenmark, Lash Shield, and this is from the brand Geno. So these are the two of my most loved sunscreens. Second falls in the category is these two, which is one of this is Earth Rhythm, and another one is this distorted bottle, which I make it look distorted, from the brand Lotus. So yeah, and last one which I actually will not repurchase for sure is VLCC. So I would also like ask you to think before you repurchase, purchase it, or someone recommends it to you, because I did not really have a good experience with it. A strong white cast and makes my skin really greasy and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all. And remember, sunscreen is super important whenever you're going out, getting exposed to the sun. Please do apply a broad spectrum sunscreens, SPF 40 or SPF 50. You have to definitely go beyond SPF 30. SPF 30 is your cutoff if you're getting exposed to the sun. And make sure you apply your sunscreen on the face, neck, as well as in the hands. Otherwise, you will be like, face is not tanned, but your necks are getting tanned and things like that. So yeah, I know this is a lengthy video, so pardon for that. Pardon me for that. So, but then again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for notification of my subscription. So bye bye, take care.